Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Toyota Corolla LE Plus. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.